Bah Kyrmen Shylla myntri sorkar jylla hynne apun reutrek nailur arja arpo ula Pyllait paidbah music video kabla Kyrteng Shaniah Skhem. Kane music video kade kabla pynmih de Noreen Dunai Association Bah Gracious Giver Asociation. Bah Kyrmen haba jongkren kane si ula jingiaroh ki khun samla kiba mynta kila dan sab bah ban pynmih ki phlim bat ki jingrwai kiba de long shisha katkum ki jok kiba mynta. Shuh Bah Kyrmen ula airu ke jingkitbok rwiang kini ki samla bakinang beteng myntri haba Shuh haki kamba kile.
When I see that everyone are united, the family especially, that is one good thing I praise COVID-19. What to do? Because I am a man and I am a son who's really so much in touch with my family, and I love my parents, I love my brothers, sisters, I love my grandmom, my granddad. That is how I want even the other family to be united, stay at home, not just stay and don't do nothing. Do something, but don't forget your parents, don't forget your family, wherever you are. At last, your parents, your family is the greatest supporters where you will need the most. Because most of the time we saw that when we old, we tend to remember them. When we are young, we forget our parents, our family, but that shouldn't happen. So I believe that from now on, what we have practiced at present, we will keep practicing, that we will be around with our parents and family.